Anguran Reena is a 26-year-old assistant professor at Miranda House, Delhi, but it's not teaching that has been keeping her busy for the last 2 months. It's the struggle to seek justice for her father, Anguran Pinch, a 53-year-old former MLA, who was allegedly murdered in November 2017. After following up with the police and no result in sight, Reena has finally written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking his assistance on the matter. Pinch's body was recovered in the river near Ramgarh, Arunachal Pradesh on November 18, 2017, by his friends and colleagues. He had gone on a rafting expedition on invitation by his friends, mostly former ministers. Pinch was clueless about the number of people who were to join the expedition. A total of 21 people joined the rafting expedition, including Pinch, ex-ministers, government employees, a policeman, 2 state-recognized criminals at loose with shoot at sight order, 3 of Pinch's clan brothers, including the rafting guide, and 7 young school-forward/college girls, for prostitution. The next morning Pinch's dead body was recovered with fresh wounds and swollen neck. The friends accompanying him told the family that it's a case of drowning. Reena and her family have denied the claims, citing that Pinch has grown up very close to nature and is an excellent swimmer. The family filed an FIR on November 30, accusing close to 20 people of plotting and murdering Pinch. A special investigation team, SIT, has taken over the case after police failed to find any leads. "I don't trust the authorities. The family doesn't even know what to do and where to go. We have very little hopes from the SIT. They will say the same things again and again, and the case shall forever remain with them with no concrete development. I suspect many top politicians are involved in the case and that this case won't go anywhere. This was a pre-planned murder," Reena told the India Times. Facebook/Anguran Reena. Reena told that the family believes Pinch's death was a political murder because he was a potential candidate for the upcoming 2019 elections under the banner of BJP. He was a BJP candidate from the constituency, unofficially declared, with immense love and support from the public despite not being in the power for the last 1 decade, said Reena. In a letter to PM Modi, Reena wrote, "The reason we believe my father's death is a political murder is, he was a potential candidate for the coming 2019 election under the banner of BJP. He was a BJP candidate from the constituency, unofficially declared, with immense love and support from the public despite not being in the power for the last 1 decade. She further added, "This pre-planned expansive rafting expedition, arrangement of food, rafting boats and continuous pressure on Pinch to join for the expedition by his best friends, ex-ministers, was a well-thought staged plot for his murder. He was an invitee and had no prior plans to join until the very last day when his plan to go elsewhere with the Home Minister was called off. Above all, the statements provided to us by the 20 members on what had transpired on the fateful night gives out tremendous loopholes, leaving us with no choice but to believe Pinch's death was a murder."